Edmund?
Right.
Okay, now we okay. Which one you're not so sure? The worksheets I gave today, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go. I will hold on. Okay, we go through one by one. Hold on. Okay, just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to share screen. Okay, for the first one, you know how to do the mark price. Could you do the first one? This one, number one, can do. Or you're not sure what the terms are? Okay, selling price, you know, right? That's the price that they actually sell. Mark price is the price that they put on display, original price to the customer. Maybe selling price is after discount. You know what I mean? So let's say now they say they want to sell a fridge for $500. They put original price $500, but today we're having sale is only $400. So the selling price is the actual price that the customer buys at. So there is a discount. How much is the discount here? And how many percent is it? Can you calculate? Maybe if you have not done, you do A, D, and F lah. Ken? You can just tell me what's the answer here. Do you know?
100.
100. Okay, so how many percent?
10.
10%. How you get 10%? Huh? Now you need to know the thing. Okay, so now let us see now. What's the original? Sorry. The original price they wanted to sell at. What's the original price they wanted to sell at? What is that?
500.
500. So, okay, 500 now. Okay, I'm gonna show you on the board. Now 500 here is 100%. It's $500. Now you have $100 discount. So you want to find out how much is this in discount. So you remember, you can write like this. Always this one will be number one. Whatever number you write here must correlate this one. This one, there's a connection between the two. So you want to find $100. So you write $100 here. If this on top is money, below must be money also. So you put 500 here because this is the other money that you know. And you know that $500 is equal to 100%. You write 100 here. And then you will get. Okay, this one you get 10 divided by 5 is 2, 20 left. All right, 20%. So again, how to use this? Whatever, always this one will be 1. Always. What you want to find, you put it down here. You want to find $100 in percent. That's what you want to find. You put it here. So once you put it here, you see if it's dollars, below must be dollars. If it's percent, below must be percent. And then once you write the one below, the below one must have a correlation. This is called correlation. It means $500 is equal to 100%. So you can use it like that. Okay, we try the next one. Hold on. Okay, you try question number. Okay, we try B now. B. What's the? Okay, selling price is $5. Discount is $3.50. What is the original price? Original price. This price is the selling price, $5. Is after a discount of $150. What's the original price?
$6.50.
Good, $6.50. Okay. So now you want to find the percentage in discount. So you do the same thing lah. You tell me now what to 100% is how much? 100%. 100% is how much?
500. Oh wait, no. 650.
650. And then you want to find the discount, correct? Discount is how much? 150, right? They give you 150, right? Down there, discount. So you want to find this in percentage, right? So now you tell me now, what do I fill in here? Always will be Always must be
1.
1. So what you want to find, you write here. What is it you want to find? Which one? You want to find this one, all right? So this is in this percentage form. So you write 150 here. You can write it in cents if you want to, or you can write decimal, no problem. You are written money, you must write money below. What other money do you know? Which one? Which one is money? You must, this is money, correct? 150. You must put another money below. Which other money is? Is it this or this? Which one is money?
650.
650. And 650 is equal to how many percent? According to this, is equal to 100%. So you finally use your calculator and see what's the answer then. You can put one decimal place lah. What's the answer? Do you divide?
Two 2307.
Okay, so 2307 or 2308 because nearest, okay, you want to put nearest two decimal place, then with the percentage sign. Okay, since I'm still helping you for this one, you have to do number C on your own. You try number C on your own, huh? Number C now on your own. Now they give you the discount. I think this one we do all because it's different parts of testing. Oh no. Right now. Very good. So how many percent is the selling price? Make a guess. Mark price is always 100%, correct? All is 100%, 100%. So this selling price is how many percent? They give you the discount 15%. So the selling price is how many percent? The selling price must be lesser than the actual price. Discount is 15%. This is 100%. This one, how many percent? You write down here how many percent roughly.
15.
No, 15 is discount. Okay, we go back to this one. We go back to this one, okay? Because this one, they change the structure a little bit. Okay, let's look at A first. Okay, now A, they say $400 is the selling price, and then $500 is the mark price. And then the discount, we agreed is 20%, right? Sorry, $100. And we found out that $100 in discount is 20%. So now we go back to this one. This 500 is 100%, correct? So what about this $400? How many percent is this $400? Can you see discount on here like that? I'll write it this way. $400. We want to know how many percent is it? Original price is $500.
80 or
80. Okay, good. 80%. So you know how to find the same thing now. Now for question C, okay, I write it for you now. So 136, how many percent? We are supposed to find out how many percent that is. Where is the question? Down here. How many percent? So you need to find out. Then they tell you mark price. Okay, we do not know how much is the mark price. It's okay, but this is 100%. Confirm. Mark price means original price is 100%. Then the discount, they tell us the discount is 15%. That's the discount. So how much is the selling price? How many percent? Look at what you did here. 100 minus 20 get 80. Do the same thing. 100 minus 15 get. See, 100 minus 20%. 80%. This one is how many percent? Yeah, you see how you get 80% down here? 100% minus 20% discount equals 80%. Same thing, 100% minus 15% gives you
85.
good. So now you can use this now. You can use the, what you want to find out? You want to find, okay, you want to find selling price? No problem. So you use like that. What is the selling price? That's 100%, you remember. So now, okay, so I'm going to write this on the board here, and then I'm going to stop sharing screen, but I need to write first. So $136, this is 85%. 100% we do not know. You want to find 100%, right? Okay, so let us, you tell me now what you want to find. This is $136 is 85%. 100% we do not know. We want to find what is the mark price. So we write like that over here. So what do you write here? Over here. What do you write? Always you write? Now here, what do you write? 1. What you want to find, you write here. What do you want to find? You want to find the, which one? Which one you don't have? You don't have this one, right? So what is this? You look at this one. So when you write it here. Okay, you want to find 100% in dollars. So what must you write below here? You decide, is it 85 or 136? Think carefully. You tell me. Two choices, 85 or 136 right below. Which one?
136.
136. Now, I ask you, this one is percentage or dollars?
Percentage.
This is percentage or dollars?
Dollars.
Cannot. You must have the same unit here. So again, we try again. We write 1 here, we write 100 here. Below must be percent. So what is it?
85.
85%. So this correlates with $136. Okay, now you can find. You put into your calculator and find. You have a calculator with you, right? Okay, you try. Okay, your answer is? $160, right? Well done. Okay, now that means $160. We go back to the question now. We go back to the question. So down here now, we know that 100% is $160. Okay, so what else you need to find? You need to find the 15%. How much is the 15%? Can you find? You tell me now. What is the 15% in dollars? You got 100%, $160. Discount is selling price 136. What is the discounted price? What is the discount? What is the discount? Come on, you can do it. You must relate this to life. Now they want original price 160. They sell you for 136. What's the discount?
$24.
$24. Well done. You just minus 160 minus 136. Okay, well done. Now you do D on your own. You already know already. How many percent is 99? How many percent is 99?
100.
100. Okay, so you know how to find. You up to you. You can find whatever you want. You want to find the discount. You can find the discount already. You do something like this, Mr. Edmund. You write something like this. But you know 100%. How much? What you want to find? You do something like that, lah. Okay. You can find. You try. You try. You try. And immediately find your selling price. Right? Very easy.
87.
Okay, good. 87. So what is the discount?
$12.
No, discount is $12. But what is discount in percentage? This one. In percentage, this one down here. How much is it down here? The one in percentage. Yes, $12 is correct. My question wasn't clear. What's the percentage in discount? What's the discount in percentage? Nearest one decimal place lah. Okay.
12%.
Okay, 12.1%. Well done. Well done. You try the next one, E on your own.
$23.97.
Congratulations. Well done. What is the selling price?
$55.93.
Well done. Easy, yeah? We do F, please.
$25.
Good. Well done. For what? Mark price or selling price?
Mark price.
Mark price. Good. 100%. Well done. Selling price is how much?
20.
You can just minus the discount off lah. 25 minus 2250.
22.50.
Well done. Well done. Okay. We try question number 2. This is forming an equation. Yeah, you got to understand first, okay? Okay, take your time to think through. question a little bit unclear.
Don't understand.
Okay. All right. We'll circle this first. But down here now, okay, we go line by line now. Okay, when you get a problem sum that is complex, we go sentence by sentence. And if the sentence is so difficult, we break it up. So William wanted to buy a television set at a recent electronics fair. Okay, this is just nothing much. Huh? There were promotions offered by two companies, and they were as follows. There's 50% from the mark price plus 50% off, and then 20% on all items. Okay, hold on. Huh? So then William discovered that company A charged $100 more for the television set than company B. So down here, charge down here, the problem is with this word. Is the final selling price $100 more? I would assume it is, but okay, hold on. By letting the television set's mark price be X, form an equation in terms of X and thus find the television's mark price. Down here now, they didn't explain which company's mark price. So actually there is a problem with this question. The problem is they should tell that the mark price is the same for both company. So I tell you what, we will because we do, it's not so clear for this part. Not so clear. Okay, but I'm just tempted to do this question with you. Only thing I'm just afraid. Okay, never mind. We'll revisit this later. Okay, let me find out what the question means, and then I will guide you to that. Okay, for this one now we do number 4 lah. Number 4. My question to you now for this one, if you GST 7%, right? Service charge is 100%. This 70.62, how many percent is this? You must know that. If you know how many percent?
100.
No, not 100. 100% is the bill at the restaurant. Then you must plus 10%. And then you must plus another 7%. So this is more than 100%. 100% is the amount that you are, okay. This service charge and GST, where does it go to? This one you must understand why this is not 100%. Where does it go to? Does it go to the restaurant or does it go somewhere else?
Government.
Government. So this go to government, this one go to government. These two go to government. So if let's say you sell $10, let's say for you want to buy fried rice or chicken rice, $10, very expensive one. The $10 must go to the restaurant. That is 100%. But the government says, look, you must pay us some money. The service charge, the GST must pay us. Why? With that money, we'll build the roads, we will build the hospitals, we will need to get some money from the businesses. So the company, the restaurant is not going to take from the $10, give them from that. No. They will ask the customer, you have to pay 10% for service charge. This one goes to the government. You have also to pay 7% GST. This one also goes to the government. So altogether, they have to pay 17% extra. 17% extra. So down here, this amount here, how many percent is this? It is 100 plus 17, 117%. This is 107. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to know that in order to solve this. So they want to know before the GST and whatnot, how much is it? Are you tired? Hey, Mr. Don't we go for half an hour again?
I just slept.
Huh? You didn't sleep?
I just woke up.
Oh, just woke up. Okay. Just woke up. Just let me just double check. See. Can? You write down how I write on the board lah. You can write down the same way how I wrote on the board, like this, something like this. Okay, something like that. You write down and find which one you don't know. Then you know what to do. Okay, so you try to write down first. After that, I will guide you. You try to write down first on your own first. Later we'll go through some guidance. This is question. This question I think got mistake. Hold on. Let me just double check. Let me just double check. Hold on. This question. No mind. We do, even the question is wrong, never mind, we will do. See, sometimes textbooks can have mistakes. Hold on. Let me.
70.62 equals to 170%.
Good, well done. Okay, so we write on here. 70.62 equals to 117%. Well done. Okay, and then you want to find 100%, correct? Because that is the bill before GST. Before that is, so how much? How to do? You tell me how to do this one over here. Okay. What to write here? This one? One. What you want to find? Right here.
70.62.
No, you already know this one 70.60 is equal to 117. What you don't know is this one, this amount. You want, they're asking you to find the amount. So you must use this one here. You write 100 here because you want to find this amount. So below here, what do you write? You write 117 or 70.62?
117.
Good. This is percent, correct. Well done. So now, what is 117 equals to?
So 70.62.
Okay, so you try now. You use your calculator and try. I use my calculator and try.
$60.3.
60.35. Okay, did they say to the nearest anything? Did they say to the nearest? 60.36 lah, 358. But they say down here the answer is number 4. They say 60 only. So I don't think the answer is accurate. But our answer is accurate. Okay. Just let me check what else did they do. Okay. So well done. So you are not bad lah. Not bad. You're getting the hang of it. We can move on to this one now. This one you must know all this, right? Because you're going to have lots of savings in your banks and whatnot. No? Okay, yeah. So the answer key wasn't so accurate. Simple interest. You know what simple interest? Interest are interest. You know interest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I do not know whether you know about this. Christians, Jews, and Muslims not allowed to take the interest. Actually, the Holy Book says cannot. But
why?
It's called because in the olden days, the people who charge interest are like Talong. You know Talong? Talong. The what? Loan shark. So olden days, they used to make people into slaves because of the interest. So in the Bible, there's a verse which says in the Quran also, in the Holy Book, they mention by right cannot lah. But nowadays, people don't care actually. So that's why the bank has become very big money lending. A lot of people become bankrupt and whatnot lah. But anyway, we are not talking about that. But you need to know about all this. Maybe when you're bigger, older, you will find out about it. It's called usury. Usury. But some people say usury is actually very high interest. That's not allowed. Okay, usury. If it's very high interest, not allowed, that means credit card cannot be. Credit card is 24%. Some people say usury is very high interest, low interest, not usury. So what is banned in the Bible is usury. What is banned in the Quran is the usury also. What is that? We have to understand that. But anyway, let's come back to this. Okay, so basically, why they use simple interest, not like compound interest? Okay, how will they do this? Okay, I'll show you. Now down here. You want to find now the interest by right. Okay, I'm going to show you two methods. Okay, when they say simple interest, that means this amount here you calculate to calculate the interest. This amount down here, this amount here, you always calculate the interest based on this. Always. So now let us try. Down here, okay, you have now the interest is 2.5% over 100%. Divide by 100%. Times by $10,000. Okay, so how do I use this one now here? Okay, because they want to find what is the interest, correct? So you know that the loan amount is $10,000. This is 100%. The 2.5%, we do not know how much this is. So they're asking you to find this. So you tell me now how to find the 2.5%. You put like that. Down here, V1, you tell me what to fill up here, what you want to find. What you want to find now? We want to find the interest. So how much is interest in dollars? What do I write here?
2.5.
2.5. Remember, this is percentage. What is below here?
100.
100.
No.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Correct. Because it's a percent, it's a percent. Correct. Well done. Okay, then what is 100% equals to? 10,000. So now you find out how much? 2.5 times 100 is, you shift 1, you shift 2, 0. $250. That's your interest for 1 year. So you times by 7 years, how much do you get? How much do you get? After 7 years. 5 times 7. Come. How much you use calculator, you tell me.
1750.
1750. Now the question is asking you, let us go back to the question. The question is asking you, find the total amount he need to pay at the end of 7 years. So does he only need to pay 1,750 or more? How much must we pay in total?
750.
Then the money you borrow don't need to pay back. Oi, you just pay interest. You must also plus the money you borrow. Okay, so
11750.
11750. Now this method is actually called simple interest. That means the principal. Okay, down here now you need to know that is this word principal. This is the principal amount. This is the interest amount, as we found out is 250. 250 is the interest. I just show you. This one now here, this is called the principal at your school principal. This is the amount. If it's in dollars, this is the principal. This one is the interest. Actually, at the end of 1 year, let's say you take a loan for 7 years. At the end of the first year, you already pay some money, correct? Your principal should go down, but that's why they say simple interest, they don't consider that. They take the loan amount and you calculate interest for 7 years. Let's say now, for example, every month I pay $100. Okay, after 12 months is 1,200 paid. So my principal has now gone down to 8,800. So what is 2.5% of 800? They say they don't calculate that way. We calculate, but I already pay after 1 year. Say, no, 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 no. You have to pay for 7 years interest based on the original principal. That is simple interest. Because some other question, the next year is a different amount in principal. So, yeah, don't confuse you. But in life, you have two types. Simple interest and you have the cumulative interest. But anyway, we got next one. Iwan invest 5,500 in an investment plan that pays a simple interest of 2% per annum. Per annum means per year. Calculate the time for her investment to grow to 5857.5. So you try to figure out. First of all, understand the question first. And mister, are you okay?
Yeah.
So,
Don't understand.
okay, we go step by step. You tell me now. You are now Iwan, I imagine. You are investing with me. I promise you, Edmund, 2% every year. But 2% actually in real life is very low. Let's say now you put in 5,500. How much interest will you get after 1 year? Can you calculate? After 1 year, how much interest will you get?
Wait, what?
Can calculate now. How much interest? Okay, now I write this on the board. Now they say 100% of your investment is 5,500. Okay. The interest payment is 2%. How much is this? 1 year. In 1 year, how much is the 2.2% of this one? How much is it? You find out now, you just times same thing. You want to find 2%, right? 2 over, and you times lah.
2750.
Sorry?
Wait, no, 110, 110.
110, good. Now the question is asking you, every year she get 110, no? Every year. Now she want her investment from 5,500, she wants to become 5857.54. She want it to grow. So how much interest does she want? You minus. See how much interest does she want? You calculate. She wants $357. After 1 year, it's only 110. Sorry, you cannot see. Sorry. Now, you see, she has invested 5,500. She wants it to grow to 5,857.50. So she wants when you minus 5,857.5 minus 5,500 is $357.50 in interest. She wants this in interest. But you calculated after 1 year is only 110. So how many years does she get? Does she need to wait before she can get $357.50? Very simple. Just take 357.5 divided by 110. Or you can put 1 year, 110. 2 years, 220. 3 years, 330. Okay, she wants 357.5. So you need more than 3 years, huh? Can you just take HD 357.5 110. What's your answer? You get your answer. You divide, what do you get? You get 3.25. So this is 3 years. 0.25 years is how much? You take 0.25 times 12 months. You will get 3 months. So 3 years and 3 months. That's the answer. I think you're not so clear. You're blur.
Don't understand.
You get it? You understand?
No.
Okay, we understand. You understand, great.
No, I don't understand.
Oh, don't understand. Okay, great. Okay, so we start now all over again. Okay. So how to find? Now she invests 5,500 and she wants her investment to become $5,857.50. She wants this amount. So how much interest does she want? Well, let us minus the original amount that she invested. You minus, you get 357. She wants to get this in interest. She wants this interest. She wants this in interest. So 1 year, you calculated 2% is only 110. She wants 300 plus. So let us see, 1 year, $110 in interest, correct? That's what you found out. 2 years, you times 2 lah. Get 220, 220. She went 300 plus. 3 years, $330. 4 years, $440. You see? So that means to get this amount is in between 3 and 4 years. How to find? Very simple. Just take 357.5. This is what she wants. Divided by 110, which is what you get in 1 year. You get 3.25 years. 3.25 years means this is 3 years. 3 years. How many months is this? To change this to months, just times 0.25 times 12. You get 3 months. So 3 years and 3 months. I think you don't get it. You don't get it. Okay, this one you understand? She wants to get this money. You understand, sir? So how she get the extra money? From the interest, 2% a year. They will pay 2%. Every year she get 110, 110, 100. Okay, let's say I ask you now. Let's say now she wants her money to be $5,720. They ask you how long will it take? Okay, let us find out how much is the interest. Okay, we minus the original amount she put in, 5,005. We get 220. So 1 year is 110. 2 years is 220. Oh, it will take 2 years for the amount to reach this amount. Another way of finding out, you take what she wants, 220, divide by 1 year amount. Or you get, 2 years. You will get exactly 2 years. So that's what we did. We minus to find the interest. We divide the interest by 110, we get 3.25 years. 3.25 years, we got to find out what is 0.25 years. 3.25 years is equals to 3 years plus 0.25 years also. This one must change to months lah. How to change to months? 1 year, there's 12 months. So 0.25 times 12 equals to 3 months. So 3 years and 3 months. Okay, I tell you what, you watch the video again. Okay, I will post the video, you watch the video again. Maybe at another time you might feel it's clearer. Now maybe we try. Let me see, yeah. Actually, we have more or less finished. Okay, there might be finished this number set 20. Okay, we try this one. A car was priced at $30,000. A man bought the car installment according to the following terms. A down payment for $5,000. You know what's down payment? The first payment before you start the monthly payment. You buy, they want some cash first. And then the monthly payment is 2.5% per annum is the interest, but to be paid over 2 years. You find how much. Okay, if you pay $5,000, how much more does he owe the car company? Now down here, the car cost $30,000. He paid $5,000. How much more does he owe the car company? The car is $30,000. He makes a payment of $5,000. How much more must he pay the company? How much more he owes the company? The car company. The price. Sorry?
25,000.
20,000. Good. So this $25,000, the car company said, okay, you pay us every month. But 1 year I charge you 2.5%. 1 year, 2.5%. So 2 years, he's going to pay over 2 years. 2 years, how many percent how much is the interest for 2 years? Can you calculate the interest for 1 year? Then your interest for 2 years, how much is it? 2.5%. Okay, this is 100%, right? You want to find how much is 2.5%. So what is 2.5% of 25,000? You find out now, 2.5% of 25,000, how much is it? We want to find it.
625.
Good. For 1 year, it's 625. He's going to pay over 2 years. So you times that by 2. 625 times 2, how much you get? Just for 1 year. 625 is 1 year. The interest for 1 year. So interest for 2 years is how much? Times 2, times 2.
1250.
Good, well done. Okay, 1250, right? Okay, good. This is interest for the 2 years, interest for 2 years. Now, in order to calculate his monthly payment, you must not only take the 1250, you must take the amount he borrowed, so 25,000. Add together, then divide by how many months? 2 years is how many months? You got to divide by the number of months. Then you know how much you need to pay. Okay, what's the total amount he must pay in the 2 years if you're not clear? Total amount in 2 years, he must pay is how much?
Oh, 12.
1250 is only interest, must plus the principal. Plus the principal. Principal means the amount he borrowed. Must plus the principal. So your 1250 must plus the principal. This one must plus 25,000. How much is it in total?
Okay. 26250.
Okay, that amount you want to pay in 2 years. How many months are there in 2 years? 1 year got how many months?
Wait, 24.
Okay, then divide the amount by 24 months, then you know how much must be paid in 1 month. How? Can get not? 24 months. So divide your 2650 divide by 26250, is it? 26250 divide by 24 months. How much you get?
1093.75.
Okay, that's the answer for monthly installment. Every month he must pay the amount, that amount. That amount will cover the principal, the $25,000. It will also cover the interest. Okay, so after 2 years, you finish paying. So the total amount, you already got the amount. The total, okay, what's the total amount? Almost got. What's the total amount in total that he paid for the car? In total, he paid 5,000. He paid interest and the principal. How much in total?
Mm,
2 years time. In 2 years, he must pay how much? In 2 years, you got the amount.
1093.75.
No, that's every month. Okay. Okay, we write down. We write down first of all. At first, he paid 5,000. Do you agree? That's a down payment. He paid them. Then after, he also paid back the principal 25,000. Then he also have to pay the interest. He have to pay these 3 things. So you add them together lah. You have to pay the down payment. He paid. You have to pay $25,000. He paid, and you have to pay the interest. He paid. So how much is it? Add together.
31250.
Okay, well done. That's the answer. It is not difficult. You must relate it to real life. No, if you don't relate it to real life, all this don't make any sense. But next time you might be buying a car, unless you're going to pay everything cash. See, for me, I pay 30,000 like that. But some banks might, some car companies also don't accept. They want you to take the loan so that they can earn the money from the bank, some interest money from the bank. So you need to know how to calculate all this. Otherwise, some banks will give you better deals than other banks. You need to find out. Like if we have the HDB flat, 1-2% is a lot of money, 1-2%. Let us see, just for your information. Now you buy your house. How much is your house? Do you know?
No.
How much you buy your house? Your parents buy the?
I think 500.
More than half a million? Okay, let's say 500,000. Let's say you take the bank loan, they charge you 2% interest for 500,000. So 2/100 times 500,000. How much is it? You minus. Every year your interest is $10,000 every year. If 1 month you pay $1,000, 12 months is only $12,000. You minus, you got 2,000 only you pay back for the principal. That means this $10,000 you pay, you didn't pay the amount you borrowed. You paid for the interest. The interest is already $10,000. So your parents cannot pay if they are taking a loan for 500,000. they cannot pay $1,000 a month because all of it will go into, almost all of it go into interest. So at the end of the year, how much do you still owe the bank? They will minus just $2,000. You see, but I paid $12,000, yes, but $10,000 you pay for the interest. So now you still owe us $498,000. See, after 1 year, you only minus 2,000. Yes. So that's why you have to understand, you know. Down here, some people say that pay lesser is better. You have to pay more actually to make the principal lower, so that your interest gets small. Your interest payment is smaller. Okay, we do next question. Mrs. Mark purchase an air conditioning unit at $2,700. She opted for installment plan and paid a total of $2,772.9 plus a down payment of
Don't know how to do.
don't know. Hey, you give up so fast. Okay, I tell you what. Never mind. This one, we go back to this one first. We go to this one. You try. Let our ending be something you're very clear about. Price before GST. What's the GST is always 7% for now. Huh? So you tell me what is this amount of GST that needs to be paid? Just tell me. Can use your calculator, you tell me. How much is the amount in GST or GST? 7%.
$40.
No,
Plus
that is
the 93.
no this one. This GST is 7%. So 7% is 7 over 100, right? You times the 40 lah. That's what you need to do to find out what's the GST. So what is the GST? GST is a tax to the government. You will take 7% of the. So how much?
3.01.
How come you 3.01? 7 over 100 times 40. You're supposed to get 280. 280, yeah. Correct now?
Yeah.
Okay. So down here you write 280. So you plug the price together, GST is 42. You plus together, these two plus together, 42.80. Now you try the next one. The next one. What is the GST? How many cents is that?
Uh, 0.21.
Okay, 21 cents, good. So what is the price together with GST? How much is it?
Wait, what?
What is the price together with GST? $3 plus the 21 cents.
3.1.
3 to 1, okay. Now you do see. This is 7%. We want to find 100%. Okay, now you can do it on the board like that. Okay, you can do it on the board like this. Same thing you can do. Is 315 correct? This one 7%, 315. You want to find 100%.
550.
550. So you get 100 over 7 times 315. Are you sure it's 550?
Wait. 45.
$45. So you must know how to do this. Down here, what you want to find? You see down here is blank. You do not have this. So you want to find 100% in dollars. So you put 100% here. If you put percent, below must be percent. Put the other percent. So what is the other percent equals to? You must correlate. I think you get the answer. Very easy. Okay, we try the next question. Same thing, same thing like the earlier one. The one you have just done.
Wait.
Oh, I think you did D just now.
Yeah.
So you got answer correct? The answer 550, right? You said?
Yeah.
For price before GST 550. Well done. Just now you said 550, right?
Yeah.
So now find this one. Find this one. Add the two up, get this one. What's the answer?
Uh, 588.5.
Well done. Well done. Okay, now. How many percent is this? How many percentage? How much is this?
Okay.
107. Good. So they want you to find 100% first. Can you find 100%? You do something like this. You can do like that if you want to.
105.93 equals to 7.
Equals to 107%. Well done. Equals to 107%. So you want to find what you want to find? You want to find 100% what?
1% is 0.99.
1% 0.99. Okay, then
100% equals to 99.
okay, all right, good. So 100% equal to 99. All right. Then what about your center one? What's the GST?
6.93.
Well done. The last one, can you do by yourself?
100% is 55.
Good. And what's GST?
3.85.
Okay. So you have more or less finished percentage. I suggest you look through the paper again, the difficult question, you watch the video. All right? Okay? So we end here.
Yeah.
Okay, see you, Edmund.
Okay,
Bye.